Hello children, today let us understand fifth lesson from your literature reader. The name of the lesson is The Station. Now this story is an extract from the novel Chandar Pahar. Extract means इस novel से लिया गया है. And the writer is Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. He was one of the leading writers of modern Bengali literature. Leading means main, mukhya. He has written 16 novels and 200 short stories. So let us go through the story. And the main character in the story is Shankar. Shankar is posted as the station master of a deserted railway station. Deserted means sunsan, viran, in the African savannas. Now what is this savannas? Savannas means wide grassy plains with few trees. So this is a savanna. Okay, so tall grasses and very few trees. And is the loneliest place he has ever seen. The station is surrounded by barbed wire fence. Barbed wire fence means ऐसे कांटेदार जाली लगा हुआ है स्टेशन के चारों तरफ. But his life is about to become more exciting. So let us read the story and find out about his adventures at the station. Now Shankar was going to be the only official at the station. There was only one train in the morning and one in the afternoon, and he had come there in the afternoon train. So he had plenty of free time. All he had to do was to understand his work and take charge as the station master. His predecessor means उससे पहले वाला station master. वो बहुत खुश हो गया शंकर को देख के, क्योंकि he had no one to talk to for a long time. कोई था ही नहीं बात करने. So he was very happy to see Shankar. Then Shankar asked him about the barbed wire fence around the station. Then the gentleman said that it is a lonely place, तो इसलिए चारों तरफ से ऐसा barbed wire fence लगा हुआ है. पर शंकर को लगा कि he is hiding some facts, कुछ तो छुपा रहा है. But he did not persist. Persist means बार बार पूछना. At night, the gentleman invited Shankar for dinner, and suddenly he remembered that there is no drinking water. पीने का पानी तो था ही नहीं, क्योंकि he forgot to take down water from train. He used to collect drinking water from train. And then Shankar asked him, okay, so what did Shankar ask? He asked if there is no place to get water around the station. Station के आसपास पीने का पानी नहीं है क्या? And then the man replied that there is a well, but its water is not fit for drinking and can be used only for washing. Now Shankar began to wonder about the place that he has come. ना यहाँ पे पानी है, ना लोग रहते हैं. Then what is the need for the railway station here? Now around the railway station there was endless grassland, and here and there few yucca and acacia trees, and in the distance rows of mountains can be seen. देखने पे तो बहुत सुंदर जगह है. But the gentleman warned him that he should not go out alone into those grasslands. Now though Shankar asked the reason, but he did not get a satisfactory reply. But that night he got the answer for his question, that why he should not go out alone. Now let us see what happened in the night. Now Shankar was sitting in station office after his dinner and was writing his diary. He was planning to sleep there only. The door was closed, but it was not bolted. Suddenly he heard a sound outside and he became frozen at the sight. कुछ देख के डर गया. Do you know what was there? There was a huge lion with its face against the glass of the door. The door was not bolted. और हल्का सा एक पुश करने से दरवाजा तो खुल जाएगा. And he had no weapons. He had only a wooden ruler on the table. एक wooden scale रखा हुआ है बस. Now, do you think you can face a lion holding a ruler? The lion stood there silently and then went away. Shankar quickly got up and bolted the door. Now he understood why there was barbed wire fence around the station. Now this was only a beginning. ये तो बस शुरुआत है. More adventures are yet to come. Next day, he shared this incident with the guard of the morning train. The guard, who was a good man, listened to Shankar's story and said that this is common, ही ऐसा तो यहाँ होता रहता है, and told about another station with the same situation. Then the guard, he quickly got into the train and told Shankar to be very careful all the time. Shankar was very worried and began to think about other dangers besides the lion. अब और क्या क्या danger बचा हुआ है यहाँ पे. From that day, Shankar began to light a fire in the station office before dark and used to read and write his diary till late in the night. The nights were very dark there and winds made a strange noise. हवा से भी आवाज आती थी, हवा चलती है तो. And jackals howled and sometimes the roar of a lion could be heard. But Shankar को अच्छा लगता था ऐसा life. He loved to live such a life full of adventures. One night Shankar was sleeping. The room was dark. In the darkness, Shankar could feel his whole body trembling and there was a light noise in the room. कुछ आवाज आ रहा है. He could not find the torch and searched around and found the torch and switched it on. अब क्या देखता है? What did he see? There was a most fearsome snake. Okay, so this snake was there in front of him, and a most fearsome snake, the black mamba, in front of him with its head held high, but the snake was in a state of shock. अब वो snake shock में क्यों था? Because of the light of the torch. Then the hood was raised almost a meter from the floor, and it was not unusual because the black mamba strikes on the shoulder. Shoulder पे strike करता था. It is very difficult, और ऐसे snake से बचना बहुत मुश्किल था. From his boyhood, Shankar had one great quality. Whenever he faced any dangerous situation, he had complete control over his senses. डर के भागता नहीं था. He knew how to control the situation. Shankar knew that he should continuously focus the torchlight on the snake without shaking even a little. So you can see in the picture. So he held on to the torch. The snake's eyes could be seen like two round points of light. The snake looked powerful and angry while standing upright like a stiff whip. Stiff means not moving or bending. Whip means this one. Okay. And then Shankar forgot about everything. He forgot about his job, his family, the country. Only thing he was focusing about was the two eyes of the snake. And then he was only thinking about this snake, black mamba, that could inject 1500 milligrams of deadly poison with a single bite. He knew that there was nobody around to help him. If he screamed, agar chillata to bhi, there was no one to help him. Suddenly he felt that his hands were becoming numb, बिल्कुल सुन पड़ गया है, with pain, and he had lost all sensation. He was unable to hold the torch. Torch पकड़ नहीं पा रहा था. Just then the clock began to strike 3 in the morning. 3 बज गया सुबह का. Suddenly his hand shook. Okay, हाथ थोड़ा सा हिला, and he thought that he will live only till 3. Suddenly the snake disappeared and it did not strike, as it was in a shock because of the torchlight. Now immediately Shankar, what did he do? He unlocked the door and went out and locked the door from outside. So this is the story.